Hi, I'm Donna Joy Ashley from Social Media Bomb. Welcome to my business partner Steph and my channel. Now make sure you subscribe because not only do we teach different online marketing, network marketing, social media tactics for making money online, but we also have an online marketing diary where once or twice a month I get on and I share basically what we're doing and how we're going and successes and failures we've had and what caused them. We're basically at the moment, we're building 3 different businesses. One, we're building our e-commerce / also network marketing team. We're also promoting my books, where I am building a business promoting my fiction books. I've just published my 10th book. And we're building an online marketing program where we're teaching people how to do what we're doing online. So make sure you subscribe to get more information from us. Now today I want to talk about the best way to make money online. And what you need to be doing to make money online. So three things that you need definitely to make money online. We teach an ecosystem called the machine. Today I'm going to talk about one part of the machine that you absolutely cannot do without. Other parts of the machine are interchangeable, but this part is not. Now, listen, so many people want to make money online, and I know that a lot of them are like me and Steph were in the first couple of years where they're just struggling, running around, doing all their courses, and it's just not working for them, okay? And I want to tell you why that is. It's because they don't know what we know about the machine. Now, I didn't know what to do. I had a few pieces of the puzzle that I was trying, and every time I did a course, I'd be like, oh my God, it's a Facebook group I need, or it's a Facebook page I need, or it's an Instagram page I need, but I just didn't know how it all worked together. So, believe it or not, the first thing you actually need to make money online is something to sell. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but for so many years I was trying to make money, and I didn't really have, it wasn't that I didn't have something to sell, but I didn't have something to sell that I believed in with my heart. Now, for me, it actually ended up having to be something of my own that I was producing. I actually do affiliate marketing as well, and we do sell network marketing products that we love. But it wasn't until we actually started to put together our own program to sell that I really knew that that's what I wanted to be doing. I wanted to be teaching people, but we just didn't want to be those people that our only business was in teaching how to have the sort of business that we had, okay? Which is why we have all the other businesses going as well. Now, you need to have something that you can sell with authenticity, okay? Something that you can believe in if you want to have a long-lasting business. So you either have an e-commerce product that you're producing yourself, you might be getting it made overseas and you're producing it, that you're in charge of it. You may have a shop online where you're selling different things in e-commerce. You might choose a network marketing company where you're selling their products and also building a team. You might be an online coach who's building a coaching program online, or you might have an infomercial. So you might have an area of speciality where you can niche right down and find the smallest viable portion of the population that is interested in what you have, and then you put together some sort of product that you can sell to them about what your speciality is. Okay, so that's an infomercial or a course or something like that. If you don't have your own product, if you don't want to do network marketing, if you don't want to do e-commerce, if you don't want to do put together a course or something, then really that leaves affiliate marketing. And there's a lot of people doing very well out there selling other people's products, but I would say choose products that you may be using yourself, because it's easier to sell stuff that you're using and that you truly believe in. I mean, look, some people are very good at selling stuff that they don't believe in, but I think for long lasting, if you want to really build a tribe of people who will follow you and buy anything that you're promoting, it really probably needs to be something that you're using yourself. Now, that's having something to sell, but that doesn't help, all right? So what you need to know about making money online is that you need 3 main things to make money online. The first thing you need is a value ladder. Now, a value ladder is actually the things that you're selling, okay? But you don't just sell one thing that you're selling, because it's kind of counterintuitive in that you've only got one thing to sell. And the thing about people, when they're buying, then they're more likely to buy from you again and again. As Dan Kennedy says, a buyer is a buyer is a buyer. So when you get a hot prospect who puts some money down, you want to be able to offer them more and more things. And the reason you do this, 1, because you can make money, but 2, it's because different people have different price points and different needs that they're willing to go to just to scratch the itch that they have at that point in time when they're shopping. So if you can put more than one product in front of them, then you're going to satisfy more people. You're going to help more people. So the value ladder, what it does is it brings people into your funnel, and then it sells them something cheap, and then it sells them more and more expensive things until they're kind of like, no, I'm out. Okay, but what it also does is it puts people into your email list, which is something else we're going to talk about. Now, how does a value ladder work? Well, a value ladder is basically you offer something for free or something very cheap. You might do a free plus shipping item, or you might have just a free PDF or a training video or something you're offering people for free to get them into your funnel, but also to get the email from them. From there, you offer what we call as a tripwire product. So it's a cheap product. It might be just $7, something like that. And it's something to see who's willing to get their credit card out, who's willing to buy, who's really, really hungry for what you've got to offer. Now, the thing that you need to know about your value ladder is it all needs to be congruent, okay? So it needs to build on each other. This is why we call it value, because we're building on the value. We're offering them more and more value as they step up through the price point. So what you need to think about when you're creating a value ladder, and you may at the moment just have one thing that you're selling, and that thing may become the main thing in the value ladder, but what we need to do now is work backwards and work out things before you get to that one product that you can use to lead people up to that product. Because if all you're doing is offering that one blur, that one expensive product, unless you're very good at doing webinars or something like that, you're probably not going to sell it. So you need to sort of basically walk people. It's a bit like training a stray cat, where you want to just sort of put the food, bring it closer and closer to your home, to bring them in and make them feel comfortable and see that you're the person they want to be dealing with. You're the expert that can give them what they need. So if you've just got the one product that you're selling, you need to work backwards. So just say you do have a network marketing product or an e-commerce product that you're selling, then you need to think about who is your avatar, who is your perfect prospect, who is your niche market, what do they want? What do they want to know that's going to lead them towards your product? What information can you give them that they would hand over their email for to get? And you want to create some sort of giveaway with value that they're going to give away their email to get. And that's going to be the entry point into your sales funnel. That's going to be the first step of your value ladder. Then once you've got them into your sales funnel, which is the second thing you need, but we're talking about value ladders. So after the first thing, the opt-in, then you can offer them something cheap or something free plus shipping, something just to get them to get out their credit card to see what they are. So this is where you're going to bridge the gap between what you want to sell them and what you've given them away for free. So there's going to be something in there that once they've got that, the next thing that they need is what you have to sell. Okay, so this is where we're basically, if you give them something and then you offer them more of the same, and they've already scratched that itch, and they're basically going to be confused to why you're offering them more, unless it's a pure e-commerce product. So basically, just say you were selling Fat Blaster tablets, they buy one bottle, and the next thing they see is 3 more bottles of the same. They're probably going to take that deal because they know that 1 month is not enough. And if you give them a discount on the next 3 bottles, then they're going to take that. So e-commerce is where you can offer one thing and then more of the same. But any other thing, so if you're basically an online coach, you're offering information products, then you need to work out the progression of what these people need along their path, that you can basically be there offering them the things that they need as they go. And then you can, when they've got that little thing, then you can go, hey, now you need this. And they're going to go, oh my God, I do, now I need that. So you've got to work out how you can walk them towards your product. Now, so you give them the free thing, we give them the tripwire, then you offer them something for sale, that's higher in value, might be a few $100s, and then you want to offer them a one-time offer, an upsell, where basically it's something that's more expensive in value, that they're only going to see that one time on that page. You're going to incite that sense of urgency within them that's going to make them buy. Someone who's hot, someone who's just bought something is more likely to buy straight away. Now, not everybody is going to buy, and in a later email I'm going to talk about different metrics on what to expect within your sales funnel. Okay, so basically I'm talking about a value ladder, but it's a sales funnel we're talking about as well. So the first two things you need are a value ladder and a sales funnel. And the value ladder, which I'm talking about, it exists within your sales funnel. The sales funnel is kind of like the automated system that you're setting up that holds your value ladder that comes through. So this is what you're going to create. So for instance, maybe with ClickFunnels, you can kind of create this process that they go through automatically when they're buying stuff. And once you've set this up, it's like an asset. You set it up and you launch it out there, and then your job is just to put people in the top of the sales funnel, and these people are going to come down the sales funnel, working up your value ladder as they go. Now, not everybody, and actually only a small portion of people are actually going to buy in that initial value ladder / sales funnel experience. That's where the third thing comes into play, which is your email list. That's why when we give something away in online marketing, we never just give it away for free. We always expect at least an email to get it, because we're going to back up this sales funnel with an email campaign on the back end. So we need to bring people through the sales funnel and make some money, but not everyone is going to go through it, so then we're going to take them through an email series of campaign. And I think about it as being a sales funnel of its own. An email, it's like a funnel of itself, the email, where you're going to take people through and you're going to offer them things, you're going to nurture them, you're going to excite them, and you're going to sell to them. Okay, so that's what you need within your email campaign. It needs to be a really well thought out back-end product. So let me show you how this works. For example, within my field as an author, I've got 10 fiction books. I have a series of 5 cozy mysteries and a trilogy of 3 fantasy books. I've just started a new series. So my cozy mystery series, what I do is I give away book 1 for free. And that's an ebook. So as soon as they come through, they hit a order form where I'm offering them an upsell of a box set. Now, very few people are going to take that initial box set, okay, because they don't really know me. But one of the things that I do is I do videos of myself reading, and I post them online, and I put them into Facebook ads because I'm trying to get that know, like, and trust. They already like the sound of what they're hearing. They're more inclined to think that they're going to like what I'm writing, and I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so they're more likely to buy that box set. But still only a small portion do. So then I take them through an email series where I'm talking about the books, and then I'm offering the box set again. But what I do is when they go into my book, I give away book 2 for free as well. So I've got this second opt-in. Now, they read book 1, they like it. They go and get book 2 for free. They go through another opt-in. They've already probably given me, a lot of them have already given me their email to get book 1. Some of them haven't, but I know for a fact that my opt-in on my book 2 in that same series is much higher. I get about an 80% opt-in, which is really high for book 2. Sometimes it's up to 90%. And if I've just done a big giveaway on book 1, then the metrics on book 2 go way up, because all these people got book 1 for free, and then book 2, they're going to give me their email again because they've already given it to me. So then straight away I hit them with another box set, a shorter box set of the rest of the series, and that's where I make most of my sales. So you can see it's not happening in that first funnel, but it's happening within the email series and free giveaway. So that's my value ladder, is where I'm offering them book 1, I'm offering that, but then I go and give them another book for free and then offer. So you can see how I'm working the whole thing together. I'm exposing myself to them. I'm exposing my products to them over and over again. To the point where they know they like me, they've seen videos of me, they've heard me reading, they know they like my work, and I'm more inclined to make the sale. So you can see how the 3 things are working together. My value ladder, my sales funnel, and my email are all working together synergistically to make money online, and it's all happening automatically for me, which is an amazing thing. Okay, so I think I've covered everything I want to cover in this video. Videos to come over the next few weeks, I'm going to be talking more about online marketing. We're going to be covering metrics on online marketing. We're going to be talking about how to make money in a home line business and how to know sort of which is the best way to go for you. We're going to talk about strategies for small businesses to make money online. And there's a whole heap of other different stuff that we're going to be covering online. So make sure you subscribe. But the other thing I've got for you is a free giveaway. See how this is going. I'm opting in to my giveaway, getting into my funnel. But actually what it is, it's just a free giveaway basically where we're teaching you the machine. So this is the machine that Steph and I want to teach as many people online so they can have the success that we're starting to have, which is crazy fun, all right? You put this stuff together and then you sit back and you just tweak stuff. I feel like a mad scientist sometimes, and then it starts to work. So we're teaching the machine, but until we actually get our membership site going and our online site going, we don't want to leave people hanging. So we've got a PDF sort of explaining it, but then we put together a series of 4 videos, short videos, because we know what people are like. They don't want to consume long things. They're all between maybe 8 to 15 minutes long, and we're just going to give them to you one every day for 4 days, so that you can consumable, easy pieces that you can just watch every day. And it's going to give you a 30,000-foot view of the machine, and that may be all you need. Okay, that may be all you need to get going. Now, I paid a lot of money to learn this stuff. Steph and I, between us, we're closer to 6 figures that we've spent on our online marketing. We don't want you to have to do that as well. So go get that free PDF. The link will be below this video on YouTube. And subscribe to this channel so you can keep up to date with what we're doing, and so you can watch our diary, our online marketing diary, over the next year as we piece everything together and we show you what's working and what's not working, which is going to be really exciting. So I hope you got something out of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.